Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Opposition leader Mark Golding has moved to introduce the private members' bill to allow for the impeachment of MPs. Just yesterday, private sector groups joined calls for the impeachment legislation to be brought to Parliament. Watchdog group, the Jamaica Accountability Meter Portal, called for the legislation to be fast-tracked so that public officials who engage in conduct that is unbecoming can be removed from office. That call comes in the wake of assault allegations against Westmoreland Central MP George Wright. In Parliament this afternoon, Mr. Golding took the first step to have the legislation introduced.
I hereby seek the leave of the House to introduce a private member's bill entitled the Constitution Amendment Impeachment Act 2021.
Is this the wish of the House? Aye. Leave granted.